So the final Paws token allocation is out. All you need to do is to come to Paws.community. Then you're going to come here. So when you come here, you're just going to check the upper part here. Then from here, you're going to click on claim. So when you click on claim, you're going to see the overview of your account balance, your Paws, your active referrals. You can see from here the active referral of the one you had, then your grade, just everything overview of your account statistics. Then you click on next, you're going to see the total balance of your Paws. You get the point. Then to claim your Paws, you can see the option is not yet available, so but you keep you updated on how to actually get everything done. So do well to subscribe to the channel, and more importantly, if you are not farming testnet or node project, you are cheating yourself. Enough of Telegram mini game that at the end of the day give dust to the community. Testnet project is the way to go. You can see what a lot of people achieved, made in social value Pi network, and a whole lot of other testnet projects that are paying people in millions. So check the link in the description and join my Telegram channel and start making this money. This is 2025. Don't play. If you play, you will learn the hard way.